Tree ID. Here we go. We have a Quercus Shumardii, which is a Shumard oak. Turns red to brown in the fall. Beautiful tree. You got your bark, strip the bark out. It's got a single trunk growth with extending branches. Bark's gray. It's darker as it ages. You got like these shallow furrows, kind of like shoulda looking. Honestly, a nice bark color. Okay, let's check out it's a native, Texas native. That's where we're at. We're in Texas, so native to here. Let's get ourselves a little limb. Here's our little limb. We got alternating. The leaves are alternating, as you can see. Here's our leaf right here. Lobed simple leaves. There's a single leaf. Check out those lobes. Pretty deep. 3 to 7 inches. We got smaller ones right. There's the leaves. Usually grow in moist soils, along rivers, streams, swamps. You can keep them in your yard, you know. Again, you just gotta keep the soil moist, have good soil, good drainage. You get acorns. It's an oak, so it gets acorns. These aren't mature yet, but it's coming. They're pretty big, actually. They can get pretty big. And they actually germinate pretty easy if you stratify them in the refrigerator for about 30 days. Beautiful tree. They grow up pretty quick. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments.